Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. Okay, so first of all we have to input both earbuds to our charging case. After that you just have to open this case and then take a look on this button. It's located on the right side of your charging case. You have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking red. And this connection, our current connection, will simply disappear. So take a look, click and hold, take a look on this indicator in the front, keep holding. Right now they are in the pairing mode, it's blinking white, and right now the hard reset is complete after 4 red beeps. As you can see right now, they are another time in the pairing mode. And right now, when I select this device from previously available devices list, I will get the new request. As you can see, there it is. So it means that the previously connection was basically removed from my phone, and that's how you can perform the hard reset on your FreeBuds 5i. If you cannot make it, just remember to charge them at least to the 50%. At the bottom you can find input for the USB-C cable. As you can see, the whole process is very simple and short. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.